Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming power is off and the cable is unplugged. Safety first. Once done, identify the connector type, crimp, compression, or twist on, because removal steps differ. Use a 7/16 wrench or adjustable pliers to steady the cable, and if needed, score the outer jacket an inch back with a Coax stripper to expose the connector base. Make short, deliberate motions. You're removing only the connector, not the inner conductor. If the connector won't budge, stop and reassess grip and tool choice to avoid damage. Now you focus on the middle work, loosening and releasing the connector. For twist-on types, grip the connector and rotate counterclockwise while holding the cable steady. This prevents bending the center conductor. For compression fittings, find the ferrule seam and pry gently with a small flat blade to relax the crimp, then slide the piece off. For crimped rings, score and remove the crimped metal with a cutter. Do this in tiny increments to avoid nicking the braid. Once the metal is free, pull the connector straight off to preserve the cable end. Finish by trimming any crushed or frayed braid about 1/2 inch back, because a clean end ensures a reliable re-termination. Strip roughly 1/4 inch of the dielectric to expose the center conductor. Make sure the conductor is straight and undamaged before you install a new connector. Once re-terminated, test continuity and signal. If the center conductor is bent or nicked, cut out that section and re-terminate again, because damaged conductors cause loss. If signal remains poor, verify connections and replace the connector or cable as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.